Okay, I'm delighted to be here with Childminding Ireland in the Sheraton in Athlone, doing laughter yoga and sharing the joy of laughter with a group of childminders. So it's been a fantastic hour that we spent in the last while, just sharing different exercises and different moves that we can do so that we can bring out the joy. And they can go back now and share this with their groups, their family, their friends. It's just been an amazing time, and they have lots of exercises now that they can run with. I can give you one exercise now if you wish. Okay, so we're going to do cocktail laughter or milkshake laughter if it's children. So we have a cocktail, we have two containers, one has the cocktail in it and one has the empty one. So we're going to toss it from one to the other, making a sound, and it goes eh, eh, eh. Very good, yay!